Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to create a Dollar Tree account. Open the website at dollartree.com, then click Account. On the pop-up window, you will see a Create Account button. Click on the Create Account button. Now, enter all the required information. After entering, click on the tick box beside I'm not a robot, and the tick box beside I agree to the terms and conditions. Then click on the Create Account button. And now your account has been created. That's how you create a Dollar Tree account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.